cook together. All the ingredients are there at home. Just prepare it. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Josh Moses Kitchen. This recipe for 6 to 8 guests. Onto a blender, 300 grams of tomato, 6 specks of thyme, 3 spicy chili habanero, 1 garlic, the whole, half red onions, 2 big red peppers. All onto a blender. Ensure you place the tomato first so it's easy to blend into a fine paste. Onto a pot, medium flame, add that sauce. Stir continuously. Don't leave it unattended. It may stick at the bottom. When the sauce is thick, keep it aside. Onto a different pot, half cup of oil. Chopped red onions, 1. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add 6 tablespoons of tomato paste. Quick mix. Cook for 15 minutes. Let it well cooked. Add the sauce we just made. 2 pieces of bay leaf. 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Give a quick mix and cook for 15 minutes and set it aside. Onto a different pot, chopped onions, 1.5 kg of beef, big cut, chili, 4 teaspoons of salt, 10 sprigs of thyme, 4 tablespoons of curry powder. The curry powder recipe is there in my channel. Stir fry, let all the spices are well infused approximately for 10 minutes. Add 3 cups of water. Quick stir. Add few curry leaves, cover it, let it simmer and cook it very soft and tender, and all the water evaporates like this. As soon as the water evaporated, half cup of oil, let's brown the meat. The meat is already browned, darker in color. Add the sauce we made. Combine well. Onion rings, 2. 1 red pepper, diced. Chopped spring onions, half cup. Few curry leaves. Salt, 2 teaspoons. Give a quick mix and cook for just 1 minute so the crispness of onion and the beautiful flavor of pepper and spring onion will be there. Turn it off. Enjoy the Nigerian beef. Pepper beef is ready. You know already, right? Have spicy, lot of flavors, right? Now let's taste it. Very soft beef, beautiful flavors. Please subscribe my channel, Josh Moses Kitchen. Bye.